Which word belongs to the category of conjunctions? Or, connects alternatives, so it is a conjunction. On, is preposition, is verb, read, is adjective. The word "oh" is an example of "oh" is used to express sudden emotion, classifying it as an interjection. Prepositions show relations, verbs show action, adjectives describe nouns. Which part of speech is the word "we" in the sentence, "we are happy"? We replaces a noun and functions as a pronoun. Nouns name things, verbs show action, adverbs modify verbs, adjectives. Which of the following is an example of a collective noun? Team is a collective noun referring to a group. Tree, book, happiness are common or abstract nouns. What part of speech is the word slowly in? He runs slowly. Slowly modifies how an action is done, so it is an adverb. Verbs show action, adjectives describe nouns, prepositions link words. Which word is a common noun? Dog is a common noun. Asia is a proper noun. Peter is a proper noun. Christmas is a proper noun, name of holiday. What part of speech is the word because? Because connects clauses showing cause, so it is a conjunction. Nouns name things, verbs show action, interjections express emotions. Which of these words is an example of a demonstrative pronoun? That points out something, making it a demonstrative pronoun. Slowly is an adverb. On, preposition, runs, verb. The word but is a but connects contrasting ideas, so it is a conjunction. Adjectives describe nouns, verbs show action, nouns name things. What part of speech is quick? Quick describes the noun runner, so it is an adjective. Verbs show action, adverbs modify, interjections express emotion.